Hello, wonderful family. Welcome back to Silver King TV, your one and only cryptocurrency guru. And in today's video, I would love to talk about a very special token that I found out. It is called DXDY Finance. I've gone through the token. It's a very wonderful token which I will advise everyone to take advantage of the airdrop now. And before we go into today's video, I would love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell to get more updates about other wonderful cryptocurrency that are coming your way. Thank you very much. And without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to today's video, which we are talking about DXDY Finance. It's a very wonderful token. I would love to show you some things about this token. They say DXDY Finance is a new generation of decentralized exchange using a layer 2 scalability engine, supporting leveraged transaction and providing lower transaction rate. DXDY is a governance tokens of DXDY Finance with a total supply of only 10 million. This also makes it so wonderful. They just have a total supply of 10 million. And DXDY will be listed on Hotbit, Binance, and Coinbase Exchange. And they predicted a coin of the price to be $30 when it will be listed. And one very good thing, now you can take advantage and get the airdrop now. If you want, you can buy, you can put your money to invest into it and buy. But remember, I'm not a finance advisor. I'm only making this video for entertainment, to also to let you know about the new project about cryptocurrency that will come soon. So any money that you invest in with your own risk. So I will advise you to better make your personal research before you invest into any token. So please take note of that. And right now, as I'm talking to you, this token, the airdrop is left with 19 days for it to end. So you can take advantage of this airdrop, get the airdrop. By the time you get the airdrop, invite other people, and you'll be able to get more of the token for free. So it's a very wonderful token. This is the official website. Particularly, this is the official website, so you can later go to the official website, read everything, make a personal research that will really help you so much. So this is the place I want to talk about. The name of the token is DXDY, and the token symbol is also DXDY with the 18 decimal, and the contract address is there also on the website. It's under ERC20 blockchain, that is Ethereum blockchain. So it's going to be so wonderful, and the total supply, as earlier said, is just 10 million. So for you to get this token, what you need to do is to scroll down to airdrop. Okay, firstly, before we go to the airdrop, I just want to talk about the roadmap, that's the reason that makes me say that this token is going to be wonderful. So on their phase one, they're on the phase one of the roadmap now, which is November 2021, that just ended. So, and they say official website launch and smart contract deploy, which has been done already. Pre-sale and airdrop started, which is on now. The first marketing campaign is the next one. Then developing the DXDY Finance platform, which will be the next one shortly. So this is a phase 2. Pre-sale completed. That's when the pre-sale will be completed. Airdrop, then that's when airdrop will be distributed to every individual. So if you take advantage of it and get the airdrop, you will receive the airdrop. Then DXDY listed on Uniswap, DXDY listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. The second marketing campaign will start immediately. So on their phase 3, they say DXDY listed on Hotbit, Binance, and Coinbase Exchange. The DXDY Finance platform launch swap platform, staking program, and liquidity pool. The third marketing campaign. And mind you, all these phase 3 will all happen this year, 2021, before we enter into 2022. So now the phase 4 will be in 2022 on the first quarter, which will be the quarter one 2022. So launch of mobile app and DeFi wallet, that is the decentralized finance wallet, launch of borrow platform, and lot of it. So it's very good for you to take advantage of it. So what you need to do is that for you to be part of this airdrop. So what you need to do is to just click this airdrop here. When you click the airdrop, to take you to where you are going to put your wallet address. So how you are going to get this wallet address is very simple. Look at this contract address here. Can you see it? This is the contract address. So you just click this contract address. It will be it will take you to the Etherscan etherscan.io, where you can be able to copy the wallet address. So you can see it there. So this is the contract address. So you copy the contract address here. So by the time you copy the contract address, you go straight back, you go to your Trust Wallet. You can use any platform. You can use your Trust Wallet, you can use your MetaMask wallet, so anyone that is more convenient for you. But me, I prefer using Trust Wallet. So what you need to do is that click this two line at the top of your right hand side. By the time you click it and you paste the contract address, if nothing show, click add custom token. It will take you to this page. So leave the network chain on Ethereum because it's under ERC20. So leave it on the Ethereum network chain, then click paste. By the time I click paste, it will just fill up automatic. You don't need to do anything about it. So you click done and you have it on your Trust Wallet. So you now copy your wallet address. Now you can see it. Just click, you can click receive, then click copy, or you just go straight and click copy. From this point is copy. So you now go back to the website, go back quickly to the website. So this is the website. So this is the airdrop. So the reason why you are seeing my own like this is because I've already put my own wallet address and I'm getting. So right now I was giving some few token of it. I was giving few token of it, and I refer people. And currently now I have like 220 DXDY. So you can do the same thing. But if you are coming in for the first time, in this place you will see where they will ask you to put your Ethereum wallet address. So and the mistake that a lot of people make is that when they talk about Ethereum wallet address, they are not talking about Ethereum address. They are talking about Ethereum blockchain wallet address. That is DXDY on ERC20. That is what they mean. DXDY on ERC20, as I earlier showed you. Let me just show you very quickly. If you come to, you can see here, look at this place here, DXDY ERC20. So that is what they're talking about. So you copy the wallet address, so you paste it and click enter. By the time you click enter to show you this plan, they will give you 10 DXDY. Then you scroll down, you will see your, but when you do it, you will see your how is it called? You will see your referral code immediately. You copy the referral code and you share it to your friend. Let a lot of people know about it. This is my referral code. You can see once you put your this thing, you can see this, and this is my referral code. So if I want to introduce the token to anybody, you use this referral code, and I'm going to paste this referral code on the description button below. So you click the referral code and get the airdrop, so you can use your own referral code to invite other people. So the project is going to be wonderful. If you want to get more information, to follow the admin for more updates, you can click their Telegram. You can click this Telegram. By the time you click the Telegram, to take you straight to their Telegram page, and you'll be able to communicate with other users and the admin. So that is all about this token. So I would love you to take advantage of it and introduce the business to a lot of people, so you can be able to earn tokens. So but if you want, you can invest. If you want to invest to reach, they will give you a wallet, a preset address. Everyone have their own preset address. For me, this is my own preset address. If I want to buy nice, for me to copy this address, and I will send Ethereum to it. For example, now preset price, one Ethereum will give you 20,000 DXDY. That is one Ethereum. So minimum buy is 0.05. So the minimum that you can use to buy 0.05 Ethereum, and the maximum that you can buy with is 10 Ethereum for each wallet. So that is this all about this wonderful project that I've just started. So look at the description button below. You will see my referral link. Click it, and if you look below, you will see my Telegram channel link. So if you want to communicate to me, to get to know me more and get more update on my Telegram channel, just click the link below and you will get it. Thank you very much, and I love you guys all.